All citizens currently watching, do not turn off your device. The following message is being transmitted at the request of an international organization known as the SCP Foundation. To those unaware, the SCP Foundation is a governmental organization dedicated to the securement, containment, and protection of various anomalous phenomena. At approximately 10 o'clock yesterday morning, an anomalous incident seemingly neutralized the sun. Any and all light emitted from the sun is now extremely dangerous. If a person is exposed to sunlight, their bodies will begin to liquefy at the point of contact, to the point where they are no longer classified as human and are seen as deceased. However, at no point during this transformation will the victim actually die. Due to this, they will continue to seek out more entities exposed to the sun and grow, becoming very dangerous. Because of this, anybody exposed to the light is to be seen as lost. Due to the sudden emergence of this anomaly, many governments were unable to react properly. Because of this, most governments have ceased functioning. Society has collapsed worldwide. This broadcast will now go into detail on how you can survive in cooperation with the neutralized sun. Pay close attention, as this information could save your life. Avoid all sunlight. Avoid all moonlight. Limit travel by foot as much as possible. Cover yourself in thick, protective clothing if you must go out. Cities and man-made structures provide the most protection. Avoid formerly wooded areas. If you find yourself able, make your way to SCP Foundation Site 19, located on the map above. Here we are developing several counters to the ongoing situation, one of which being potential off-world colonization.
SCP Foundation. Secure. Contain.
The message you just heard was a hoax. There is no emergency at this time. You should not hide forever. Come out, Sid. Come away.